A teenage girl is always angry at her parents, lalo na sa pagiging mahigpit ng tatay at sobrang maasikaso ng nanay. Mama, tigilan mo na ako. Hindi na ako bata. Papa, hindi ko kailangan ng sermon mo. Her parents still show love. The mother cooks her favorite food. And the father secretly works overtime just to buy her a new phone. One night, the girls scream, "I wish you weren't my parents. I hate this house." Her mom looks heartbroken. Her dad tries to be strong. The next day, the parents are late coming home. She receives a call. Car accident. Both parents didn't survive. She fall to floor, shaking. She opens their room for the first time after weeks, find a letter addressed to her. "Anak, pasensya na kung di kami perpektong, pero mahal na mahal ka namin." She clutches the letter and screams in grief. Heavy rain, flashbacks of how much they loved her, even she was at her worst. The girl visits their grave, crying. She changes, becomes respectful, hardworking, and volunteers at orphanage. She speak other kids, love your parents habang mabubuhay pa sila dito sa mundong ibabaw para wala tayong pagsisihan sa hul. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang ganitong content, paki-follow at like naman po para sa more videos na tulad nito. Maraming salamat po.